We probably won't, but we'll get there. So number 1. So example 1, when you see f plus g of x, what that means is basically we're going to add two functions together. So it means f of x plus g of x, which means we're going to add f of x, which is x squared plus 5x minus 2. We're going to add that to 3x minus 2. So addition is nice. There's nothing that you really have to worry about. You just add the two. So f plus g of x is x squared doesn't have anything, so we just leave x squared. 5x and 3x is what? 8x. And then we have -2 and -2 is -4. And that's our answer. So we're just going to take, basically when you see f plus g of x, that's what that means, f plus g of x, it means you can just literally combine them. Number 2 means f of x minus g of x. F of x minus g of x means x squared plus 5x minus 2 minus, now you have to put that g of x in parentheses. And the reason you have to put it in parentheses is you're not just subtracting the 3x, you're subtracting that entire expression. So g of x, so when it says minus g of x, well, what is g of x? It's just not a number, it's an expression, so we have to do 3x minus 2. So our answer for this one now, you can rewrite it. You just need to make sure that you remember that that's minus 3x and minus -2. So what I did in period 1, what I did is I did x squared plus 5x minus 2 minus 3x plus 2. I distributed that negative, and so I gave myself an expression. Now what I can do is combine like terms. The x squared stays. I have 5x, and I have -3x. So what is 5x minus 3x? It is 2x. And then I have -2 plus 2. 0. So this is my answer. Oops, I just went through that -2, that 2. So you guys, what I want to make sure that you're aware of, addition, not a problem. When it's subtraction, you're going to have to take that second expression and make sure you put it in parentheses. Okay. Let's do number 3 now. Now, if you look, we actually have 2 new expressions. So we're going to do f of x times g of x. So basically, you guys, we're going to FOIL, right? We're going to distribute. We've been doing this. We did this just in the practice problems. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 2 times x plus 4. Okay, so when you do this, we're going to distribute or FOIL. So x squared times x is x to the 3rd. X squared times 4 is 4x squared. Now I'm going to move to the 7x. -7x times 7 is negative 7x squared. Then I'm going to do negative 7x times 4, which is negative 28x. Okay, so I did negative 7x times 4 is negative 28x. Now I'm going to do 2 times x, which is positive 2x. And then I'm going to do positive 2 times positive 4, which is 8. Now I am going to combine like terms. So, okay, so x to the third doesn't have anything, so we're going to leave x to the third alone. 4x squared minus 7x squared is negative 3x squared. Then we have negative 28x plus 2x, which is negative 26x. And then it's plus 8. So that is our final answer for f of g, f times g. Okay, so remember, if you see f times g, f, like you see this symbolization, it means f of x times g of x, and this is your final answer. Okay, so for division, we're actually going to do f of x over g of x. Now, in this one, things might not factor, so we're going to worry about that. So we're going to do x squared minus 7x plus 2 over x plus 4. Now, you guys, this up here in the numerator, it could factor. This could factor, but there's not two numbers that when we multiply, we get 2 that add up to negative 7. 1 times 2 are the only factors of 2. So we're going to leave it like this, but because x plus 4 is in the denominator, we need to actually put a restriction, and that f of x divided by g of x is fine as long as x does not equal negative 4. So that is your final answer. Tomorrow we'll finish this, but this is part 1. So this will get you through the adding, the subtracting, multiplying, division. And we'll probably do one of these tomorrow where when you do this, this actually has to be factored out. Okay? Thanks, guys.